Let me introduce you to the ultimate one-pot rice dish that is satisfying, family-friendly, and quick and easy to make. Hashwe rice. Hashwe rice is an all-time favorite in my family as it's very quick and easy to make. It comes together in less than 30 minutes and cooks in one pot. This fragrant rice has all the ingredients to make a family-friendly midweek meal. Let me show you how to make it. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitty and this channel is all about Middle Eastern recipes and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients and what you should know about them. Rice is the main ingredient. Basmati rice is the preferred choice when making this recipe as a main dish, not for stuffing. Then we'll need ground meat. Ground beef is the preferred choice. If you don't like ground beef, you can substitute it with ground lamb. A regular onion. Carrots and peas make a wonderful addition to this dish. Because peas have a long cooking time, most people will use frozen peas. As for the carrots, diced carrots cook very fast, so I recommend using fresh carrots. Then we'll need some garlic cloves. To season, all you need is 7 spice, salt and pepper. I'm including more info on 7 spice in the description box. If you'd like to spice things up, you could add a bit of ground cinnamon and cardamom, but these are optional. Then we'll need oil, preferably olive oil, to saute the onion. And last but not least, water to cook rice and veggies. You'll find the list of ingredients with amounts in the description box, along with a link to the printable recipe instructions. Ready to get cooking? Yalla, let's get started. Start off by washing the rice. Place it in a bowl, add water, wash and drain the water. Repeat this process 3 times until the water runs clear. Drain well and set aside. By the way, I have a full rice tutorial on my channel where you can learn more about washing rice. I'm including a link in the description box if you'd like to check that out. Next, prepare the vegetables. I'm gonna start with the carrots. If using fresh carrots, finely dice them. You can use peeled or unpeeled carrots, as per your preference. Peel and crush the garlic cloves using a mortar and pestle or a garlic press. Finely dice the onion. Set aside the chopped vegetables. Now let's move on to our stove. In a large saucepan, heat olive oil over medium heat. Once the oil is heated, add the crushed garlic and fry for 30 seconds to release the aroma. Then add the diced onion and sauté for another 3 to 4 minutes until translucent. Add the ground meat to the saucepan and break it down a little with a spatula. Then add the seasonings. 7 spice, salt and pepper, and optionally ground cinnamon and cardamom for some additional flavor. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Use a spatula to break down the meat while cooking. There should be no large chunks remaining. Fry for about 6 to 7 minutes until the meat is evenly browned. During this time, the meat will release some liquids which will add to the flavor of your dish. That's especially true when using ground beef that is not lean or ground lamb. Next, add the finely diced carrots and the frozen peas to the saucepan. Stir well and fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. Don't add any water at this point. The idea is to initially sauté carrots and peas together with the meat and seasonings. They should be evenly coated with some oil and become slightly tender before you add any rice or water. In the next step, add the washed rice to the saucepan and stir well. Now add water. Be sure to add hot water from the tap or the kettle to bring it to a boil faster. Bring to a boil in medium to high heat. As for the amount of water, it should be slightly above the rice. Usually that's about 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice, but you might need a little more. Cook for about a minute until the water level falls slightly below the rice. Once the water level has dropped, reduce the stove to low. Add the lid to the saucepan and simmer for about 12 minutes until all the water is absorbed and the rice is fully cooked. While the rice is simmering, you have enough time to prepare any side dishes such as a salad or yogurt sauce. I'll include a link to the yogurt sauce that is traditionally served with this dish at the end of this video. If you like it fancy, you can toss some almond slivers or pine nuts in a small pan without oil until slightly golden. That's a popular topping for rice dishes in Middle Eastern cuisine to add some additional crunch and flavor. Once the rice is done, turn off the stove and let it sit for another 5 minutes with the lid on. Then fluff up the rice and transfer it on a large serving platter or individual plates. Garnish with the toasted nuts and, if you like, some finely chopped parsley. Serve with plain yogurt or yogurt sauce and a salad of your choice. And that's it! Your hashwe rice is ready. Sahtin, enjoy!